Let me show you how to fix this very annoying error, which says SD error, that you need to format this card that you have inserted. So even if you have inserted a properly formatted card in this camera, and if you know it's actually a good card, and if it still throws up that error, then what you need to know is you actually have to format the memory card from this camera. So you can't actually take out the memory card, put it in your PC and format it there. So it won't actually work. That I actually tried that when I actually got the the camera, and I couldn't figure out basically so why it's actually not working. So the way we do it is we simply press and hold this M button. So hold it for a few seconds and you'll get this menu. Again, press this M once more to switch to this setting menu. Okay, and then I'm going to use these buttons over here to navigate down here to the format option here, and I'm going to select with this power button. Okay, cycle down to the OK, and again accept with the power button here, and the formatting will start. So wait a moment, let's see how long it takes, and you see all done. So to exit, again press this button, I think. Yep, so you see, and if I try to record now, so you can press this to start recording. So you see it actually starts to record and everything is okay. Also, when you basically plug in this camera in power, it also will actually turn on automatically and start to record. So you see it's actually working. So again, we simply have to format this camera basically from the basically internal menu, and you can't do it from a PC. Anyway, good luck.